Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and man, this needs to be in everybody's emergency kit. If the power goes out and you need some backup, whether it's to charge your device or to get those weather alerts, this here is the NOAA Weather Alert Radio that is going to be able to charge 5 different ways. So you can charge it normally with a USB-C cable that will be included, and you would plug it. We open up this little door here. There's a little thing right there to plug in USB-C. And then you also have a USB-A port to go out and charge your phone, because this does have a 5,000 milliamp battery to jumpstart your phone if you needed to make a call in an emergency. It's also gonna give you options of hand cranking. So you can pull this out and you can hand crank to charge this thing back up, because this thing is also gonna have a flashlight. So we can use this as a flashlight. You can see behind me here. It's gonna act as your reading light too. So we can go ahead and open up. And the other way of charging this is solar. So there's a little solar panel here on top. But if I lift this up, it exposes an LED panel, and we can turn that on for our reading light. Now this here is going to have AM, FM radio, but also those weather alerts. And you're going to get this big display up here that's going to tell you the time, the battery on this unit, and you can go ahead and open up the antenna. Also, I forgot to tell you, there's a door back here, 3 AAAs if you wanted to have that too as a backup. So multiple ways of keeping this thing up and running. It is going to give you alerts. If there's an alert in your area, there's going to be a red light that will flash here, letting you know in your area there's a weather alert. But we can go ahead and turn it on and go to band and pull in the weather alerts. So we can turn up our volume.
It's a concern for people who are unusually sensitive to air pollution, with the primary pollutant of small particulate.
So you hear that? So I just turned it on. Instantly works. Antenna's up, and I'm pulling in the local weather alerts, just weather alerts in my area. And we can turn that off. This display is backlit too as well. So if I turn this back on and I hold this, we get a backlit display. So this thing is pretty cool. Super light, has a handle. Carry this with you. You're going to want this in your emergency kit in case the power goes out. This is something I highly recommend you need to pick up and have in your arsenal just for those just in case moments.